Why are you not focusing? Oh my gosh. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Hannah, and for today's video I'm gonna do I'm gonna cut my husband's hair. So since we have the stage 4 lockdown in Melbourne, we can't go anywhere, everything's closed because of COVID-19. So I'm gonna do a DIY haircut. AJ. Bye. And I'm gonna do a DIY haircut tonight. This is his second DIY haircut because I've done the first one last time. It was actually not that bad, but he said that he's not gonna ask me to cut his hair again, but he is asking me to cut it again. So it might be good. I don't know. So please welcome my dear husband. Dun, 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 dun. Can you walk properly?
I'm walking properly.
Jason.
Hi.
Yes, this is my husband, guys. He's the reason of my difficult last name.
You're welcome.
Oh my god, it's not focusing again.
Because I'm here.
Okay, let's start. So what we need today is some razors, comb. What's that?
A smaller razor. For the smaller hair.
Smaller razor. Where's the scissors? And some scissors. Also, yeah, I think that's it.
These things.
Yeah, and those as well. I'm not a professional hairdresser, or what do you call that? Barber. Barber is for guys, right?
Yeah. I only go to hairdressers, not barbers. So.
Yeah. So he actually he goes to a Korean hair salon because he likes
Korean food.
yeah, not K-pop though. Just the food. Anyways, let's start. So what do you want me to do for your hair today, sir?
If you could make it shorter, that'd be good.
Okay.
I'm thinking like maybe even a 2 on the sides.
Do you have a photo that you want to show me?
I do.
And you did turn it on.
No. Safety first.
Yeah. So if you don't know how to do this, I recommend don't do this at home.
No, I'd say try it.
Don't try it.
Just try it. You never know. You might have a talent that you didn't know you had. I think so.
Okay.
Look,
so
this is probably my favourite haircut ever.
okay.
So,
That's from the Philippines.
yeah.
So we will use number 2. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, whatever. Is that right? I think it is. Okay,
Why not?
let's start.
If anything, you should just keep watching this video to see if it turned out terrible.
Yeah, here we go. You right, honey?
Yeah. And this right here, because it's a room I don't want to
Do you want to watch how mommy cut daddy's hair?
Yeah, of course I do. Because I love the things.
Do you want to say hi to my vlog?
Yeah,
Why not?
because I don't do much things.
Didn't you say you were going to laugh at me?
Yeah.
Are you laughing?
No.
Thanks.
So if any barbers or hairdressers watching right now, please comment down below if I'm doing the right thing. Because because I don't know what I'm doing. So far so good. Let's continue.
I still have my ears.
Huh?
I still have my ears.
What ears?
They're still attached.
Oh, yeah. Yay! Is that a joke?
Yeah, it was. You haven't really finished this side though.
Well, I want to use,
Number 3.
do you like only 2, not shorter than that?
Yeah, you could go shorter down here.
Yeah.
And so 2
Maybe
up the
I'll
top.
do-
I already want a 3.
Maybe I'll do 1, not 2.
Is there a 1 in there?
Yeah, number 1. 2. Let's change. Let's change to number 1. Oh my goodness. I think
Yeah.
it's too short.
No.
Too short?
Yeah. I think that's what you did last time.
Mm-hmm.
We did it with Daddy.
You want
And then my haircut, and then look at our tracks.
Do you want a haircut as well?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then look at my tracks.
Yeah.
Where's this one?
We're gonna have dinner soon, honey.
Where's one?
Huh?
It's not at the time.
What do you want?
It's not.
More here?
Yeah, line's pretty thick there. But I reckon like if you got the 2 on that,
Should I do 2 or 1 in here?
I think like that's 2, that's 1 like what you've done there, that's cool. Like this is awesome. This side is not so awesome.
Yeah. Let me see.
Please.
No, this one. So, but I think it should be 1
That's
all the way or 2.
No, not all the way. Oh, up to you. I don't care.
1, 2.
Yeah, I thought it was 1 and 2, but I really don't care.
We'll follow what he's telling me.
Yes, Ashton, you have that snack. 1. Have 1 snack.
I got open it.
I can't open it either, otherwise it'll get full of hair.
Just twist it, honey.
Huh?
Twist it.
With your muscles.
I can't. Because wait, because this one is too big, and then I can't open it.
Use 2 hands. Hold the bottle with your feet and use 2 hands to twist it. Almost.
Down.
Alright, want me to help you?
Yeah. Because I can't open it with my legs tucking in it and with my hands like that, and it didn't work, Daddy.
Didn't work.
Yeah.
Keysper.
Is it
Getting there.
really?
Impressed.
Yummy.
Told me that you're not gonna come back. But here you are.
Always.
Coming back.
Always come back to you. Char.
Shut up.
Charot.
Bubalon ka, ay?
Huh?
Bubalon. Am I doing the right thing?
I think so.
So you want, let me see. Yeah, it's okay.
Yeah, it looks like it would normally look. Whoa. What are you doing here? Let's not get creative here. Oh, God. Oh, man, that looks heaps good already.
Sure.
Wow. Might even pay you for this one.
$50.
50? It's more than what I pay now.
Shorter?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Alright guys. guys, we're done. Finally, because I think AJ's hungry. I just did a little bit of an error.
2,
2 errors.
which had to become 3 because it had to be even.
But it's not that bad. Have a look, guys.
It was too short here, but I don't care. That's not that bad.
We should have taken a before and after photo of you.
Well, maybe. That's too short.
Alright. So I also did a line here. I don't know if you can see. If it's obvious. So there you go. Look at me. It's done.
Thank you.
Next, you.
Thanks. What is?
Do you want me to cut your hair?
Yes.
Okay. Are you satisfied?
8 out of 10.
Which one's better? The first one or this one?
I think this one. I think you've been a little bit more confident, although you've made more mistakes here.
It's not that bad, babe.
No, it's good.